We're going to make a couple of cuts. This does not have the MPE exhaust. It has the normal standard exhaust, but that isn't a big deal. So we're going to get this mid-pipe installed. Now, a little bit different than normal. Being underneath the car, my camera angles are going to be a little bit short because of the distance, but I'll definitely point it out as we go, and this is going to be great. Looking at the tail first. All my camera angles are going to be pretty tight today, again, because it's not on a full lift. So you can see the two branches come off from the exhaust. We're going to make a cut right here on both sides, which I'll show and document very closely as we go through it. As we look up the body, as we roll, you can see our hangers as we go. We've got the resonators, we've got this mounting brace right here in the center that we're going to take off. We're going to take this all off in order, and I'll show you how we go through it. I just want to roll up the body as we go. So we continue up. You can see we can get up the body here. Heading towards the motor, we've got another hanger there that we're going to take off. So you can see as we go. And we've got right here where your mid-pipe connects to your downpipe. So we're going to take off the 13mm nuts right there that will loosen that, but the connector plate with the big Allen bolts on it will stay. So I'll show each step as we go here. We roll back down the car. And I'll show each stage, each connection, as we look at all of our brackets that hold it in place and our braces, because this whole center section is going to come out. It's going to make a huge difference in your car as we go.